Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you the old effect tutorial on CapCut. So if you guys want to make yourself looks older in a video or maybe a photo, you can use this new effect on CapCut that you can find under the effects, and then go to the body effect, and here in trending you'll easily find the age effect, or if you don't find it on the trending, you can just swipe the category and click on the roll category here. Okay, so just click on the age effect, so it will be added to your apply to your video like this. I'm going to show you the before and after. So here is the before old age effect, and this is the after. You can see the difference, right? Before and after. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.